got a few more things for the deadbolt. We've got the springs now in, and these are the blue, which are £3 spring rate, a lot harder. I think I might just put them on the front, it'll be easier. And then, even though I've put the Hobbywing in, I've got this Carson one to try out, so we're going to swap that over. I've never used one of these before, but it looks the same as roughly as a Hobbywing. It's waterproof and it's 10 more amps, but cheaper it was. So let's get this all on. So the new ESC is in. First time trying one of these. The only thing I've got to do is remove a jumper, so we get the drag brake. So let's turn it on. Hopefully it came on. Not keen on that switch. And there we go, we should have drag brake. Yep. So that's perfect, and we'll see how it goes. Like I said, we'll see what the on-off switch is like. Otherwise I'll have to put another one on it. The thing what it is it's hard to get to. You have to push it well across, that's the problem. Yeah. So it's off. And it's on. So it's not the greatest switch in the world. The good thing it does come with is it comes with dents. But if you do want to run Tamiya, it comes with an adapter, which is okay for a charge lead. Well, I can say now the deadbolt isn't dead anymore. The suspension is a lot better. Those new springs on the front were the best choice to put them there. I haven't got them over tight, so it still articulates as normal. Just needs a run.